Can somebody record the session? All right. So in the previous class, we were discussing about auto boxing and unboxing. So what is unboxing? Auto boxing. It is a process by which the primitive type is automatically encapsulated into its equivalent type wrapper. Right? We have seen so many type wrappers in Java. Right? So for int we are using the integer. For char we are using the character. Similarly, long, float, double, boolean. Right? So those are the various type wrappers we have seen, and auto boxing is the process by which the primitive type is automatically encapsulated into its equivalent type wrapper class, right? Well, similarly, what is auto unboxing? It is a reverse of auto boxing, right? It is the process by which the value of a boxed object is automatically extracted from the type wrapper, and it is assigned to its primitive type value as needed, right? For example, we discussed one simple example. You can just see, I hope you can just see here, integer IOB is equals to 100. So what is this 100? Basically it is an integer value, right? Basically it is an integer value. So here, since we are using type wrapper as integer, and this is the integer type wrapper reference. So this since we are trying to assign this integer value to this one, so it is automatically encapsulated into an object, right? Type wrapper object. Now it is auto boxing. Clear? It is auto boxing. Now in the next line, you observe here in this line, okay, you just observe in this one, what is this IOB? It is a type wrapper object, right? It is a type wrapper object. You can just see here, right? Now since we are trying to assign that to a basic primitive type integer, so it is automatically unboxing here. So it is automatically unboxing. Now I contains the primitive value integer 100, whereas this IOB, it is a type wrapper object which is automatically auto boxed by this statement. Clear? Now here just we are trying to print both I value as well as IOB. Kindly observe here, IOB is type wrapper. See, it is automatically auto boxed. Okay, whereas here I is, after unboxing we are getting the value integer, which is we are passing here. Okay, so let me execute this one. Let me execute this. You can just see. So for I we are printing I 100, and similarly for IOB it is 100. Okay. Okay, is it clear? For I we are getting 100, and similarly for IOB we are getting 100. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how we'll do auto boxing, and this is how auto unboxing, right? So the process of encapsulating the primitive types into a object type by using the type wrappers, we will call it as auto boxing. So the reverse of that we will call it as auto unboxing. Clear? Okay. Next, let me go with another example. Okay. So this is a basic auto boxing and unboxing process. Okay. So let me go with another example. Okay. So next, we will take the question. Explain auto boxing and auto unboxing during the method call. Okay. Is it possible for auto boxing and auto unboxing during the method call? Yes, it is also possible. You just observe in this example. Okay. You just observe here. One method we are passing here, m of 100. Okay. So here, kindly observe here. We are passing here m of 100. So what is this? Basically 100. What is this 100? Kindly respond, please.
Integer.
Integer. Very good. So we are passing in 100. So means integer value for the method m here. Okay. So this point to keep it in mind. Next we will go for method definition. It is here. Okay. The m method definition is here. So here we are passing this 100. So integer value to here. But here what it is expecting? What it is expecting? It is the same as integer v is equals to 100. Do you accept this one? It is the same as integer v is equals to 100 because 100 we are passing from here to here, right? So what is happening here? What is happening here? Kindly respond, please.
Auto boxing.
Auto boxing it is happening. You kindly observe with this example. With the previous example, what is there here? Integer IOB is equals to 100, right? So whereas in this one, we are taking integer v is equals to 100. It is same as this one. So it is, so here it is happening auto boxing, right? So here, is it happening auto boxing in a method call? Kindly respond, please. So it is happening auto boxing in a method call. So next, so here, what is this? What is this?
Returning value of auto boxing.
So again it is, see here again, so we are returning this v, okay, returning this v. So it is the output of this one, understanding? So here it is solving the expression. So when it returns the value of v from here to here, so again it is happening the unboxing process. Okay, again it is happening unboxing process. Again here you just see integer IOB is equals to, again we are getting integer value here. Again here it is happening auto boxing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now so here we are trying to print this IOB here. So hence it is printing. Let me execute this. Just see IOB, it is printing 100. It is printing 100. So here our motto is whether auto boxing and auto unboxing is possible in method call. Yes, it is possible. Is it clear? How? You can just see. So here we are passing the integer value for the method m, whereas the parameter for the method m is taking the type wrapper integer. So automatically it is happening auto boxing. So again inside that we are returning this v. So here auto unboxing is happening. Okay, now once auto unboxing happened, the same integer value, it is the output of this m of 100 is integer value. Now since because of this integer IOB is equals to integer, again auto boxing is happening here. Okay, now what is this IOB? It is the integer type wrapper object, right? It is a reference for the integer type wrapper object. So it is printing 100 here. Here, so our question is whether is it possible for auto boxing and auto unboxing in a method call. So it is very clear. So here we are making a method call and here is a definition for the method. Yes, it is possible. Clear? Is it clear? Kindly respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can just
Yes,
see.
sir.
You can just see here. The question is explain auto boxing and auto unboxing during a method call. Right? Auto boxing and auto unboxing during a method call. Okay? Clear? Example is very simple. Okay. So let me go with the next example. Okay. See, all these examples are related to auto boxing and auto unboxing. You can predict a question of any type. Okay. Next, is it possible to do auto boxing and auto unboxing during the expression evaluation? Okay. Expression evaluation. What is expression? What is expression? It is a combination of operators and the operands, right? Yes or no? Here,
Yes, sir.
you just observe here, plus